everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit the red subscribe button below and hit that tiny little bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you will get notified when I upload my next video. In this video, I am going to show you guys how to get this flawless base. I am going to show you the technique I follow. If you are interested, then please keep on watching. To get a flawless base, at first we need to prime. Today I am using Milani Prime Perfection Primer. Priming is really important because it makes your skin ready for the foundation, and it just just makes your foundation last longer. I have taken this much of the primer. I am warming it up between my fingers and now applying it on my face. I will let it absorb for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And then I will apply some foundation on it. For my foundation today, I am going to use Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. I have taken out a little bit on my palm and I am dabbing my beauty blender in it. And then just apply it on your face. Just dab it. Dab and blend. Blend your hairline. Keep on dabbing the beauty blender on your face till you think that your base is completely blended out properly. Don't worry about under eye portion and the eyelid area. We will take care of that using a concealer. For concealer, I am using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. This is a very creamy concealer and it has an amazing coverage. This is not my highlighting shade, but it is just my skin tone, and it is very useful to hide all my dark circles. I will recommend you not to go too light with your concealer when you are just concealing your dark circle or any imperfections. Then add a little bit of lighter concealer to highlight your face. Taking this PAC 219 brush to just blend this concealer. I'm using brush because I feel like that this brush gives me more coverage than the beauty blender. While concealing my under eyes, I need more coverage. So yeah, I need this brush to just blend this concealer. That I have covered all the dark circles under my eyes. Then I'm going with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 122 Sand. This is just a tad bit lighter than my skin tone, and I will use this one to highlight my under eyes and my forehead, like my T-zone. To blend my highlighting concealer using a damp beauty blender. oily skin, so my under eye areas just crease like hell. And see, it has already started creasing. So what I do next is I use a loose powder. Here I am using Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and just that I pick up some loose powder. Oh, before that, just look up and blend all the creases you have gathered under your eyes. Then dab that beauty blender in the powder and then just lightly set it. I don't like to bake because I think baking makes my face looking like cakey, and it looks like I have applied a ton of product on my face. So I just lightly set my under eyes using the loose powder. See, it is looking like better than this eye. Then whatever is left in the sponge, I will like go over my face and lightly set my face. Or just I'll dip just once and pick up a little bit of powder. See, my face is looking just flawless. Next I take a setting spray. This is from Nicka K, and then just spray it on your face and all the powderiness will melt into your skin, into your foundation, and you'll get a flawless base. Now see, my powderiness of the face is gone. It is once again glowing like it was before when I just applied foundation and the foundation was wet. I love doing my foundation routine like this. If you like my foundation routine and this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye till my next video.